If you want to update what your Facebook page is all about, whether your content changed or you just picked the wrong category, here's how to change your Facebook page category in under a minute. First, open the Facebook app and head over to the page. Now, tap on the profile icon or menu at the top left corner. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on Edit Public Details. Then, scroll again and tap on Edit on the Details section. Here, you will find the category option. Just tap on the pencil icon to edit it. Now, search and select the new category that fits your page better. You can also add multiple categories if needed. And once you're done, tap on Save and that's all. Your page category is now updated. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.